Ever feel like your business is stuck in a digital dark age? Drowning in paperwork, juggling spreadsheets, and praying your dispatch board doesn't crash? If you're nodding along, chances are you've heard the buzz about ServiceTitan. But hearing about it and actually using it are two very different things, right? Especially when it comes to that initial, often intimidating setup. Well, what if I told you that getting ServiceTitan up and running for your business doesn't have to be a Herculean task? What if there was a clear, step-by-step path to unlock its full potential, transforming your operations from chaotic to seamless? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This isn't just a tutorial. It's your roadmap to a more organized, more profitable service business. We're going to demystify the initial setup process, breaking down everything from essential preparations to those crucial first configurations. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and the know-how to launch your ServiceTitan journey with precision and purpose. So, are you ready to finally bring your business into the 21st century? Let's get started. Before we even touch the ServiceTitan dashboard, there are a few critical preparatory steps that will save you headaches down the line. Think of this as laying the foundation for a skyscraper. You wouldn't build on shaky ground, would you? First up, data gathering and organization. This is arguably the most time-consuming but most vital step. You need a centralized, clean source of all your customer information, equipment lists, pricing, services, and inventory. This means compiling customer names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, service history, and any special notes. For equipment, gather manufacturer, model, serial numbers, installation dates, and warranty information. For services, clearly define what you offer and your pricing structures. The cleaner and more organized your data is before you import it, the smoother your ServiceTitan setup will be. Excel spreadsheets are your best friend here. Ensure consistency in formatting, avoid duplicates, and fill in any missing information. Next, define your business processes. How do you currently handle calls, dispatching, invoicing, and payments? Walk through each of these workflows from start to finish. Understanding your current processes will help you map them onto ServiceTitan's functionalities. This is also an excellent opportunity to identify inefficiencies and areas where ServiceTitan can genuinely optimize your operations. Don't just replicate bad habits. Use this as a chance to streamline. Then, identify your key stakeholders and champions. Who in your team will be using ServiceTitan most frequently? Who will be responsible for data entry, scheduling, dispatch, invoicing, and reporting? Designate a ServiceTitan champion, someone who is enthusiastic about the new system and willing to learn it inside and out. This person will be your internal expert and can help train others. Buy-in from your team is crucial for successful adoption. Finally, review your current financial structure. ServiceTitan integrates with accounting software, so understanding your chart of accounts, payment terms, and sales tax settings is essential. This will ensure seamless integration and accurate financial reporting. Okay, with our groundwork laid, let's dive into the initial configurations within ServiceTitan itself. Once you log in for the first time, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that might seem overwhelming at first. Don't worry, we're going to tackle it systematically. The first area to focus on is company settings. This is where you input your basic business information, your company name, address, contact details, branding elements like your logo, and operating hours. Take your time with this section, ensuring everything is accurate and reflects your brand identity. You'll also set up your general ledger accounts here, which are crucial for financial tracking and integration with your accounting software. Next, we move to user management. This is where you'll create individual user accounts for each of your employees who will be accessing ServiceTitan. For each user, you'll assign specific roles and permissions. ServiceTitan has granular control over what each user can see and do, so be thoughtful about assigning roles. For example, a dispatcher will need different permissions than a technician or an office manager. This ensures data security and prevents unauthorized access to sensitive information. Now for the heart of your operations, Pricebook setup. This is where you define all the services you offer, your materials, and your pricing. ServiceTitan's Pricebook is incredibly powerful, allowing for tiered pricing, membership pricing, and dynamic pricing based on various factors. You can import your meticulously prepared data from those Excel spreadsheets here. Categorize your services logically, add detailed descriptions, and ensure accurate pricing. This is where you standardize your offerings and ensure consistent quoting across your team. Take the time to build a robust price book. It will pay dividends in efficiency and profitability. Following price book, you'll want to configure your customer management settings. This is where you'll import all that customer data you meticulously gathered. ServiceTitan allows for bulk imports, so you won't have to manually enter every customer. Ensure all fields are mapped correctly during the import process to avoid data corruption. This is also where you can set up customer types, tags, and custom fields to further segment and organize your client base. Then comes equipment and inventory. If you track equipment for your customers or manage your own inventory of parts, this is where you'll set it up. You can import your equipment lists, assign them to customers, and track their service history. For inventory, you'll define your warehouse locations, stock levels, and reorder points. Accurate inventory management within ServiceTitan helps you optimize your purchasing and reduce wasted resources. Don't forget about payment settings. This is where you configure how you accept payments, credit cards, checks, online payments, and so on. You'll integrate with your preferred payment gateway here, ensuring a seamless payment experience for your customers and efficient payment processing for your business. Finally, dedicate time to form templates and marketing. ServiceTitan allows you to customize various forms, from inspection checklists to invoices and service agreements. This ensures your branding is consistent and all necessary information is captured. You can also integrate with marketing platforms and set up automated customer communication, like appointment reminders and follow-up emails. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.